Everybody, Sunday evening, June 14th, about 90 degrees here on the Strip. Let's take a walk through the Miracle Mile shops and see what's going on. Now, I expect and suspect there'll be a lot of places closed up or haven't reopened yet, so let's see what's going on. We'll have a little bit of a talk. All right, first up, here is the Rock Bar and Grill. Now, I think these guys are done, maybe never to open again. I believe I read it on not on Tinder. On Twitter. Tinder. Ugh. Anyway, geez. All right. So it is 8 p.m. Now to the left we have the casino, which does not look open at all. Let's see. Earl of Sandwich. These guys open already? They're closed already? Oh, so now they're going from 11 to 7. Huh. I guess it makes sense, right? Because there aren't many folks here.
Okay, had to move to voiceover mode because the music in here was causing some copyright claim issues. Okay, ABC stores. This is the 14th of June. And it says closed for now, will open soon, basically. And so today's the 15th, making this video, and they may be open this week, so who knows? All right. Like I mentioned earlier, these middle little kiosks are all closed up right now. And just to the left, we have a place called Dope, D-O-U-G-H-P, Legit Cookie Dough. I have not tried this place, and I do hope they make it because I believe it's a just a small, like a mom and pop operation. So let's hope they can make it and weather this terrible storm we're all going through right now. Chipotle, these cats. Do you guys like Chipotle? For me, it's just so-so. I just I don't know. I tried it once or twice, never grabbed it. Fat Tuesday, they are open. You can see one staff member way over there. Lobster Me, I am not sure if they're open or not. They look open though. All right. Right, the place called Vitality. This is a massage place where you lay down on your stomach inside of this tube, and you're covered with plastic, and several water jets work to massage your body. Now it looks interesting, and I've always wanted to try this place, but I haven't just haven't gotten around to it. There it is, that tube right there. So maybe someday I will, and if I do, I'll take you with me. On the right is one of my favorite restaurants in here is Ocean One, and these guys, this is a place which has the 3 for $10 cocktails and the low priced lunch and dinners, and I've never had a bad meal there. And here's a little sign which says we are coming back, 3 drinks for $10, and so on and so on. Good place, I like it.
that sort of thing. For example, right here, right? And we're in front of the Hilton Grand Vacation Club, Alara. Oh. Jeez. Here's the box office for the variety show. Maybe 8 p.m. on a Sunday is too late. Maybe had I been here earlier, 2 o'clock or so, perhaps more shops were open. But I don't know. I do not know. What I've read, what I've seen, in some places, the use of masks is very, very low. The percentage is very low, so, as far as staffing goes, staff will wear masks at a lot of casinos, but the, there's Subway. But the clients tend not to, you know? Shoe Palace. Ketchup Burger Bar. You know what, the one thing though, I just saw some young guys making a video, a music video, and as slow as it is right now, get your friends, come down here, boom, make a video in 10 minutes and get out. No problem. Or so it seems. Let's see. We're in the food area. Well, one of the food areas. La Salsa Cantina, Mexican fare. Houdini's magic shop. The V Theater. And the Big Girl. Blondie's Sports Bar. This is scary, you guys, you know that? And the sad part is that a lot of places, when they reopen, they'll be at reduced capacity, maybe like 50% or so. And with the rents inside the casinos, you know, you're cutting off a ton of money straight away. So that chair, you were counting on making so much money per year in sales, now you got half as many, you know? So here is Flights. I've been there before, had a couple drinks. Nice little place. You know, I enjoyed it. Flights. That sign. There we go. Flights. Okay, you guys. So this is actually my first time in here since the virus started. Wow, 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 wow. You can see nothing going on at all. And the aircon is on, okay? AC is on. Let's see. Check it out. Swarovski. Opening tomorrow. That's Monday the 15th. All right, that's the plus. And to our left, we have Tipsy Robots. This is the automated, hang on a second. This is the automated bartender. Those bartender arms grab the drink from above, and you order your drinks on those notepad things, I guess, iPad things. Order there. Swipe with your card, the drink will come down, and sometimes they have staff working who will bring the drink to you. And of course, give them a tip. The dry bar, it's like a woman's hair shop, salon. They have a little bar over here, and this is the bar where they don't take cash, just your credit card or your debit card. That's it, no cash. And this would be the entrance to the casino, Planet Hollywood. Still shut. Well, this entrance anyway. Now Cabo Wabo's open. People outside eating, music playing, all the good stuff. All right, you guys, and there you have it. A nice, easy walk through the Miracle Mile shopping area, or shopping zone. Take a quick peek at the Planet Hollywood. Yeah, you guys are dark. Yeah. Not open yet. Can't see, so it's currently closed. Thank you. Yeah, not yet. All right, you guys. As always, thank you for watching today. And let's take a walk on part 2, next video, down the strip. All right, talk to you later. Good day.